Hi everyone, for this question, this is a probability density function for a continuous random variable given by this interval. So we observe this interval, it is -1 until 2, we have kx squared, 2 until 4, we have k. Then k is a positive constant, find out the value of k. So in our continuous random variable, we have to know that total probability is equals to 1. In continuous, the probability is represented by its area under the graph. Therefore, it will be give us integration to find out the area. Integrate from -1 until 2, which is kx squared. So one area. Another area we continue, which is 2 until 4, which is value of k. So simplify this to find out the value of k. K we factorize out. Integrate x squared power plus 1 over new power. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is -1. And then this is k, we factorize out. This is 1, integrate 1, we get x. So 4, 2. Then what we need to do is substitute upper limit will be 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3, -1 over 3, plus this is 4 minus 2. So it will be the answer of 5k equals to 1. So k will be equals to 1 over 5. So once we get this, k is 1 over 5. We substitute back into our interval here. And we continue to find out. The next question is determine the cumulative. So F versa. For finding the F versa, we have to start from the interval before this. So this is our first step, second step, third step, and fourth step. So for question B, for the first step, which is the interval less than -1, and we see here -1, for -1 until 2, it is not included. Therefore, before this, we have to include this -1. And to find out our cumulative function F versa, it is equals to the interval before plus current interval. Before this, we don't have anything, and current interval also don't have any function, so don't have anything to calculate. Then that's all. This is the first step. Second step, second interval. So when we see second interval, it is -1 until 2. So for F versa, when you add here second interval, you can see before this we don't have anything. We didn't manage to accumulate any area, but currently we have the area under the graph here, which is start from -1 up to current interval, which is up to x. So we haven't finished until 2. Currently means any random variable, any random number between this interval. So start with -1 up to value of x for the function 1 over 5x squared dx. So integrate this, it will be power plus 1 over new power, upper limit x over -1. So it will be x cubed over 15 minus -1 over 15. So finally this is x cubed over 15 plus 1 over 15. Then we move on for the third interval. The interval will be between 2 and 4. So 2 is included, 4 is not included. For finding is cumulative before this. So before this we have already accumulated up to 2, and current interval when you add here will be integrate this area 2 up to x for the function 1 over 5 and respect to x. So F2, 2 is a before this interval accumulation. We collect from the before this, kita kumpul dari sebelum. So 2 we substitute here, 2 power 3 over 15 plus 1 over 15, and integrate current interval. Maksudnya integrate the current area. Find the current area by integration. So integrate 1 over 5 will be 1 over 5x, upper limit x, lower limit 2. So simplify this. This is x over 5 minus lower limit 2 over 5. So lastly, this is x over 5 plus 1 over 5. And then continue for the next step will be the interval after here. So we are at here. Will be interval after value of 4. So x will be greater equal than 4. Just now our interval before this didn't equal to 4. So for this interval we have to equal to 4. Then accumulate function. Before this we already accumulate up to value 4. Alright, so now for 4 onwards, this area currently we don't have any function which is 0. So for f4 we're going to substitute the value of 4 into the before cumulative function. Finally we get 1. So after we finish this, for this we need to write out its function. What is your cumulative function in answer in piecewise function? So first, for the first interval 0, where x less than equals to -1. For the second answer is x cubed over 15 minus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 15, -1 until 2. So 2 is not equal. And for the third one is x over 5 plus 1 over 5. This is equals to 2 before 4. And lastly 1, which is x is more than equals to 4. Alright, so that will be our cumulative function. Then continue finding the variance. Alright, so finding the variance, we can use our FQT here, finding our variance and properties and finding the probability. For the variance first. Question C, to find the variance, we need EX squared minus EX mean square. So definitely we need to figure out what is our mean first. It will be integrate from the lower limit -1 until 2, then x times the function which is 1 over 5x squared plus 2 up to value of 4 for function 1 over 5 x times 1 over 5. Alright, so simplify this 1 over 5. So x cubed power plus 1 over new power, upper limit, lower limit. This is 1 over 5 factorize out. Coefficient we factorize out. For the x, integrate power plus 1 over new power. And we substitute the upper limit minus the lower limit. So here they can give us 39 over 20. And we continue for EX squared. EX squared will be integrate -1 until 2x squared times with the function plus 2 until 4x squared times with the function. Alright, so factorize our coefficient. This is x power 4 power plus 1 over power new power 1 over 5. We factorize out, so power plus 1 over new power upper limit minus lower limit. And then we can evaluate this using calculator. And lastly, we find out our variance. Where EX squared minus EX squared. So you get 150.11200. But if you want to put in decimal also can. So this is our first part. To continue with the second part, we want to find the variance 3x minus 2. Variance 3x minus 2, using properties, it will be variance 3x plus variance of 2, negative 2. So remember, in variance, we don't have operation of negative. To avoid that, we get a negative value. Variance is a non-negative value, so therefore our operation will put plus and negative will follow the constant, become negative constant, become constant negative 2 here. So 3 we factorize out 3 square variance, and this one we using properties, and variance to a constant, still constant, still, so 9 times variance we have 11.25. Or you want to put in fraction also can, so decimal or fraction. Then we continue to find out the third part of the question, which is a probability where the modulus of the x, which is greater than 1. So simplify our modulus here. Greater than, it will be x greater than 1. Greater than, you have the definition put all, and then x, insert the negative, change your sign. So this is greater than definition. Alright, so for x greater than 1 and x less than negative 1. So greater than 1 will be this area, and less than negative 1 will be this area. So less than negative 1, we don't have any area. So less than negative 1 probability is 0. Greater than 1, you need to integrate 1 until 2, 2 until 4. Or we can use our cumulative function, which is 1 minus f1. So f1 means that probability x less than 1. So 1 minus probability less than 1. So it will be f1. So f1 substitute into this function, which is 1 cubed over 15 plus 1 over 15. Alright, so that will be our final answer, which is 13 over 15. Okay. Or another method, more than one, integrate 1 until 2, 1 over 5x squared plus 2 until 4, 1 over 5. Okay, so this one also we can simplify to get your probability for x more than 1. Then the working will be just integrate 1 over 5 x cubed over 3 2 1 plus integrate 1 over 5x, so 4 over 2 upper limit minus lower limit. So you can get 13 over 15 also. Alright, so that's all for this.